Hey Sloth Group, today is day 10. Thank you to all of you who joined me yesterday for our virtual field trip to the zoo. I hope you had fun with it. Today you have all of your regular routine, including getting some fresh air and exercise. Your first activity you have is one of our poems. You guys are all doing super great with this and you're all used to it, so I'm not even going to go over it. You guys got it. And then we have a free write. For this, if you're getting stuck on what to write about, why don't you write about our virtual field trip yesterday and the animals we saw? You can describe how we saw the elephant and we saw the baby elephant that was so cute. And you could say how you saw the polar bear who wasn't in the right habitat. It was in that really dry habitat that did not look like the Arctic. And you can write all about the things we saw on our virtual field trip yesterday. For math today, we're going to be working with some fractions. Now, a fraction is when something is broken into equal parts. And that word right there, equal, is really important. For it to be a fraction, it has to be equal parts. So if you were to take a pencil and break it in half, the two halves have to be equal for you to say 1/2 and 1/2. So you're going to look at each of these pictures and only color in half of it, or one of the boxes, if it's broken into two equal pieces. So if you notice, this one is not equal pieces. This one has a corner cut off where this one doesn't. So you'd put an X over that one. Whereas this circle, it is split directly down the middle. This is a fraction. It is broken into half. So you'd color in one out of the two boxes. And you're going to do that for each of these little pictures here. And then on the next page, you're going to color in the fraction that they say. Now, some terminology for you guys. This top number is called a numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. The denominator tells you how many pieces the whole is broken into. So this circle is the whole, and it's broken into 3 equal pieces. So the denominator is 3. Now, the numerator tells you how much of the fraction you're going to color in. Or later on, it's how much of the fraction you're going to use. Like when you're baking, sometimes you use 1/3 of a cup. So here you're going to color in 1 of the 3 pieces. Okay, but now down here, this gets a little tricky. This says color in 2/3, but this also says 2/3, but this is broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, that still means you need to color 2/3 of it, but that means you're actually going to color 4 pieces. It's trying to trick you. So it'll be the same size as this one because it says 2/3. So you're going to color this one in the same exact size you colored this one, okay? Now, this column right here is like our superstar challenge column. So if you're not fully getting it, it's okay. This is like third-ish grade math. So if you're not fully getting it, it's okay. So this is our superstar challenge column. These two columns I know you can do. And then for social studies today, we have time order words. So these words tell us when things happen. So it's really helpful in social studies when you're describing the history that you use these. So you're going to look through and you're going to complete each of these statements by either writing a word or drawing a picture. Before breakfast, for me, before breakfast, I drink coffee. I hope none of you drink coffee though. Before bed, I clean up the living room and brush my teeth. And so you're just going to go through and answer each of these little questions. You can either do a picture or you can write the word. It's up to you. I know some of you are artsy. Some of you would rather have nothing to do with art. So it is up to you. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and I'll see you back on Monday. Bye.